Hey, what's up, friends? South Bay friends, this is Alex Smith, and I am getting this new lease listing property up to snuff before we bring it active. So it's unobstructable ocean view with that sunset going to happen anytime soon. So I'm going to back up here, and you're going to see that this view is from the top floor. That window box is even bigger than it looked at the beginning, isn't it? So this is the master bedroom view. There is still an ocean view from the level below as well. So if you love big views in Hermosa Beach, you'd be stoked. This is East Hermosa, so up above PCH. And so we just got a little bit of buttoning up to do, and we're going to have this place active for lease real soon. I believe we're going for $4,500 a month. So let me give you a quick tour. So there's 2 bedrooms on the top level. Here's the other bedroom upstairs, and here's the stand-up shower, 3/4 bath upstairs. So we're going to go downstairs now. Hey Mike, hey Reed, hey Stephen Kaufman, hey Daniel White. So here's the, let's kick off the sandals there. This is the kitchen. All right, stainless appliances. We got the Whirlpool oven. That's an oven. And then the fridge and the dishwasher. And vaulted ceiling, living space. That's where you put the TV over there. Fireplace right there with the crushed glass. Cool. And big sliding glass door to the unobstructable ocean view looking right down the street. And yes, that is Prospect. Hey, Prospect. Nice big front balcony here. Cool. Again, that's the kitchen. Okay. And then we got 2 more bedrooms and a bath here. So here's the next bedroom, right? And then the last bedroom here, and we'll go there in a second. Here's the downstairs bathroom. Yeah, fancy. Getting cleaned up. There's a toilet around the door. Yeah, closet. So the back bedroom goes right out to the backyard, which would be great if somebody had a green thumb and they wanted to turn this into something gorgeous. Maybe we'll end up putting something there that'll look gorgeous. So send me messages if this has already got your interest. We're looking for $4,500 a month in Hermosa Beach. Let's get it rented now. All right, guys, take care.